Hi, I'm Professor David Noe from LatinPerDiem. With a new year coming up, I wanted to tell all of our loyal viewers that we're going to begin covering Thomas Aquinas' Summa Theologica, Book 1, the whole of Christian theology. This is actually a continuation, and these episodes will start to air on Monday, January 4. I also want to invite you, of course the lessons are free, these 4-minute videos on YouTube, but I want to invite you to become a Patreon subscriber so that you can get the quizzes that accompany each lesson. You can subscribe for as little as $1.99 per month, all the way up to $9.99 per month. At that level, what we call the Cicero level, you'll get 20 quizzes per month. So you'll not only get the great Latin instruction, but then you can test yourself on the Latin after you've seen the video and see whether you really are acquiring and mastering the Latin. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you, and please consider supporting us in this new year. Thank you.